Here's how to create this paper fold effect in Premiere Pro. To get started, you'll need a green screen paper crumple effect. Place your logo on video layer 2 and the green screen on video layer 1. Now right-click your logo and select Nest from the menu. Then go to Effects and search for Track Matte Key. Add this effect to your green screen clip. Under Effect Controls, expand the matte options and select Video 2. Then duplicate your logo by holding the Alt key and dragging it to the track above. Highlight the bottom to layers and nest these clips together. Now drag the green screen to layer 2 and your logo to video layer 1. Duplicate your green screen clip once more. Go over to Effects and search for Track Matte Key again. Add this effect to your logo layer. Under Effect Controls, expand the matte options and select Video Layer 2. Then go to Effects and search for Ultra Key. Add the Ultra Key effect to Video Layer 3. Now go to Effect Controls and click the little dropper icon beside Key Color. Finally, simply click on the green area of your green screen layer to remove the background and complete the paper fold effect.